Hey there, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about something awesome, Canva. It's a tool for making cool designs, and I'm here to help you get started. Whether you're new to Canva or just want to learn more, this video is for you. So, let's jump in and explore how to use Canva step by step. Open any web browser and type canva.com. You will see an interface like this. Here you will get the option of login and sign up. If you don't have an account in Canva, then you can do simple sign up. Here sign up is completely free. Click on simply sign up for free. Here you will get many options. But we will continue with email. And type your email here. After that, type your name here and click on Create Account. Now you will receive a code on your email. Enter that code here. Now your account is created in Canva. You can also buy Pro version of Canva, which is not too expensive, and you will get more templates and extra features. Now from here you can select your fake option. Like Facebook post, Insta post, YouTube. For example, I write YouTube link here. Now you will have such an interface. Here you will get many options. Elements, text, and photo upload are also there, from which you can upload photos. We have selected YouTube thumbnail. Now there are many YouTube thumbnail templates here. Let's see. We select a design from here. For example, I am selecting one. Now to edit this image, click on it. And import an image from your system. I select an image. It may take a few seconds to upload. Once it's uploaded, drag and drop the image here. Now adjust the image. Like I'm doing. Also edit the text in the template. For this, double click on the text and edit it. Like I write. Social media post. Now adjust its size so you can edit all the text here. Can edit, and you can change the color and font of this text through the options above. Now we add any element here. I select one and adjust it. Yes, you can change the color of the text from here, and you can select the color of your choice, and similarly you can change the font here. Here are the font and options for the previous version. The more you practice with Canva, the more easily you will be able to use it. It is a very simple tool. Now our design is ready. You can make further changes to it. Now click on the share option above to save it in your device, then click on download. Select any file type from here. Most of them select PNG. Now here click on download from. This way this design is saved in your system. Check it out. Wow, it looks good. And there you have it. That's how you can use Canva for making simple designs without any professional experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.